Welcome back. In our last lesson, we applied a design theme to give our presentation a professional look. But what if that look isn't quite right? Maybe your company has a strict brand guide that requires you to use specific colors and fonts. You don't have to abandon the theme you chose. Instead, you can customize its two core components, its theme colors and its theme fonts. This gives you the perfect blend of a professional design structure and your own custom branding. Customizing theme colors. Let's say your company brand is built around a specific shade of blue and green. On the Design tab, in the Variants group, click the drop-down arrow with the line above it. Go to Colors. You'll see a list of other built-in color palettes you can try. But for true customization, go all the way to the bottom and click Customize Colors. This opens the Create New Theme Colors dialog box. It might look complex, but it's quite simple. You have slots like Accent 1, Accent 2, Accent 3, and so on. These accent colors are what PowerPoint uses for things like the color of bullet points, shapes, and smart art graphics. By changing the color in the Accent 1 slot to your company's specific shade of blue, every element in your presentation that uses Accent 1 will instantly update. This is much smarter than changing every shape one by one. Once you've set your colors, give your new color theme a name, like My Company Colors, and save it. It will now be available for you to use in any presentation. Customizing theme fonts. The same principle applies to fonts. In that same Variants drop-down menu, go to Fonts. A theme font set always contains two fonts that are designed to work well together. One for all your headings, titles, and one for all your body text, like bullet points. You can pick from the preset combinations, or you can create your own by clicking Customize Fonts at the bottom. Here, you can choose the exact heading and body fonts required by your company's brand guide. Give your font set a name, save it, and your entire presentation will update, ensuring perfect font consistency.
Let's apply this to your presentation. 1. In the Variants drop-down, go to Colors, Customize Colors. 2. Change the color for Accent 1 to a bright red. Give it a name like My Custom Colors and click Save. Watch how elements on your slide change color. 3. Now, go back to the Variants drop-down and navigate to Fonts, Customize Fonts. 4. Choose a more formal font for your heading font, like Georgia, and a simple one for your body font, like Verdana. Name it My Custom Fonts and save. You've now overridden the standard theme and tailored it to your own specific design needs, all while maintaining perfect consistency.
Excellent. You now have the power to take any professional theme and customize it to perfectly match your brand's identity by creating your own theme colors and theme fonts. Text is great, but a diagram is often worth 1,000 words. In our next lesson, we're going to explore one of PowerPoint's most powerful visual tools, SmartArt. See you there.